Russian Spacewalk 54 will be conducted by Oleg Artemyev, EV1 in the red stripes, and Denis Matveev, EV2 in the blue stripes. To start the spacewalk, crew will egress the Poisk airlock with TB cameras called CLUs and 2 crew lock bags. Using the Strela boom, crew will first translate to the passive attachment piece on the Nauka module. The European Robotic Arm, or ERA, will maneuver to the CLU-4 installation position. Crew will translate to the elbow and install CLU-4. Crew will translate back down to the ERA end effector, where they'll work together to remove a piece of hardware called an LFM ring. Afterwards, ERA will translate to the CLU-3 installation position. Denis and Oleg will translate to the elbow and install CLU-3. They'll stow various pieces of hardware and bags inside, then Oleg and Denis will ingress the airlock and close the hatch, ending Russian Spacewalk 54.